tortilla wrap is one of the simplest thing in my kitchen. I have tortilla. I'm going to be using some jelly. Here I have some Jif peanut butter, the extra crunchy. Yep, yummy, 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 yummy. And I have here some strawberries. Also, I have some chunks of pineapples that I'm going to use, of course. And some bananas. I have 2 bananas sliced. So here I am putting the wrap together. Lay it on a flat surface. And what I'm going to do next is to baste one side of the wrap with peanut butter. I like that extra crunch in my peanut butter. It makes that tortilla taste so good. So I dab one side, one half of the tortilla with the peanut butter. You just paste it around. You can use a flat knife or a flat spatula and just paste it around. And next I'm going to be adding some jelly. Guava jelly. You know, a long time I used to climb up that guava tree and pick guavas and make all kind of guava jam and guava jelly. So why don't I reinforce it and bring it into my kitchen? So I'm going to be opening a can of guava jelly. You can use any type of jelly you want, you know, strawberry jelly, mango jelly, but I love my guava. So I have some guava products and just put a 2 tablespoonfuls, 2 or 3, any amount you want, and you dab it onto the peanut butter. You just paste it along very nicely. Dab it along. Right? So in my kitchen, we're going to be making a tortilla peanut butter banana wrap. So you put the bananas now, the thinly sliced bananas, on the other portion of the wrap. Pack it nicely and evenly. So I'm using 2 bananas for these 2 wraps. And you want the ripened bananas, the soft bananas. And now you're going to wrap it. Take your time and gently wrap that bad boy. Tuck the ends in as you wrap. Make sure you have a firm grip. And now what you want to do, slightly slice the wrap so that the banana can show through the wrap itself. Look at that. Look at all that juice from that banana just pouring out. You place it on a flat surface and you just clear the board and you just do another one the same way. Peanut butter again. You can, the bigger the wrap is, the better it is to slice. Okay, you won't have a problem slicing it. So you want a big wrap. You can use flour tortilla, also corn tortilla, any one you choose to use. So for those of you who are now tuning into my channel, welcome aboard to Andrea's Trini Show, where loads of recipe comes your way on a regular basis. Like, comment, share my video with your friends and loved ones, and certainly subscribe to my beautiful, beautiful channel. So now I'm going to be putting on the jelly. As I've said, you can use, you know, at least 2 or 3 tablespoons of jelly. It all depends on your taste for jelly. We are making tortilla banana peanut butter wrap in my kitchen today. Do the bananas on one half of the wrap. And we are going to wrap that bad boy again. Two bananas can give you 2 lovely nice wraps. Make sure you tuck the ends. Look at that gooey look of that jelly just seeping through. That's what I love to see. And that's it. It's a very, very short recipe and it's very tasty. And you could decor with strawberries, pineapple, or any type of fruits that, you know, that is seasonable and that you like. So enjoy again, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my beautiful channel. And it is being served today with a glass of cold milk. See you again with another great video. This is Gil Andrea saying bye.